Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So today our topic is balanced diet. Definition: a diet that consists of a right amount of essential nutrients such carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water required by the body is called balanced diet. A balanced diet is provided all the necessary nutrients for overall health and long life. Eating and balanced diet reduce risk for heart disease, cancer, diabetes and other healthy problems. We have a lot of vitamins, that's a mineral, fats, proteins that is necessary for balanced dieting, and also this risk factors, that is heart disease, cancer, diabetes and other healthy problems can be happened due to balanced diet. So the second we have learn about the balanced diet. The factor that contribute to a balanced diet are the first is protein, second fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, water, fibers. That's all the contribute balanced diet factors which is given below. Balanced diet, the factors that contribute balanced diet are protein. Firstly, protein is a key factor in creating a balanced diet. Proteins are the building block of the life necessary for development, repair and maintenance our body cells. The second is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates play an essential role in a balanced diet. Our body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose or blood sugar, which is used for energy. The third one is fat, which is a factor contributed for a balanced diet. Or fat they are necessary for the performance of important functions like absorptions of fat soluble vitamin A, D, E and K. Vitamins are a class of organ nutrients that cannot be made by our body. The second is minerals. Minerals are inorganic substances needed by our body in tiny amounts. The other factor is water. Water is not only a major element on a balanced diet, but it is essential for our survival. It is very necessary for our survival, not a balanced diet of our body necessary happening. The second number is fibers. Although human cannot digest dietary fibers, it is an important constituent of a balanced diet. So it is not a constituent, it's not important for a balanced diet. The fiber is necessary for a low amount of body consequence for all the contributions of the balanced diet factors.